If you are craving something extra crispy, crunchy and absolutely delicious, then today's recipe is just for you. These crispy stuffed potato snacks are golden on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. Today's samosa recipe is easy to make with just 2 boiled potatoes. Once you try this simple method, you will be making these samosas again and again. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. Heat a pan over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them crackle for a few seconds. Now add half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of salt. Mix all the spices quickly for just a few seconds. Now add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix everything really well until every bit of potato is coated with the spices. Cook for 2 minutes while mixing continuously. Once the filling is ready, transfer it to a plate and let it cool down completely. Now let's prepare the dough. In a bowl, add half cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of black cumin and 1 teaspoon of oil. 1 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix everything really well and knead into a soft dough. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Your comments really inspire me to make more delicious recipes. Now divide the dough into 4 equal portions. And roll each portion into a thin, even roti. Now friends, I have already rolled out 4 rotis into equal sized circles. Take 1 roti and lightly brush a thin layer of oil over the surface. Place the second roti directly on top and press it gently so it sticks together. Next, take the potato filling we prepared earlier and make a small ball shape and spread it evenly over the roti. Then place the remaining 2 rolled rotis on top. Finally, use a cookie cutter to cut out the desired shapes. Press the cutter firmly so the edges seal properly. This will help keep the filling inside while frying and give the perfect shaped samosas every time. Now heat enough oil in a pan over medium-low heat. Don't fry this on high heat. Carefully place the prepared samosas into the oil. Fry only a few pieces at a time to avoid overcrowding the pan. Cook slowly, flipping occasionally until both sides become beautifully golden brown and perfectly crispy. Now they are evenly cooked, remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Just look at these beautiful crispy potato snacks. They are perfectly golden, wonderfully crunchy on the outside and filled with a soft, flavorful potato center. Every bite is crispy, spicy and delicious. Serve them hot with tomato, ketchup, green chutney or your favorite dip and watch them disappear in minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.